WordPress is a widely used blogging platform by web developers, bloggers and companies. Every day there is an increase in the number of blogs and websites running on WordPress. WordPress may be helpful if you are a newbie blogger and want to start a blog. But you will be in big trouble if you run out of time and accidentally delete a few critical files. However, if backups are present, you can restore the files to their original state and get them working without hassle. Let me tell you 3 common reasons you need to back up your website and data. The first reason is hackers can hack and delete your site or blog. The second reason is that you may lose data due to viruses and malware attacks. And the third reason is that you may accidentally delete some critical files. There are many WordPress backup plugins available, both free and paid. Here are some of the best ones. 1. Updraft Plus. This is one of the most popular WordPress backup plugins and is trusted worldwide by over 3 million WordPress users. It offers free and premium packages, which are loaded with features. 2. Blog Vault. This plugin is said to be the fastest and most reliable WordPress backup plugin available. In addition, it offers both free and premium packages. 3. Jetpack. This plugin offers a suite of features, including backups, security scanning, and spam protection. In addition, it offers both free and premium packages. 4. Backup Buddy. This plugin offers a complete backup solution for your WordPress website. It is a premium plugin that offers a range of features including automatic backups, off-site storage, and one-click restore. 5. Duplicator. This plugin allows you to create a backup of your entire WordPress website including all files, themes, plugins, and databases. It offers both free and premium packages. Recommended Backup Plugin. A recommended backup plugin for WordPress is Updraft Plus. It is a widely used and highly regarded backup plugin that offers a range of features, a user-friendly interface, and reliable performance. 90% of my clients' sites, I use Updraft Plus, and it is convenient for me. While Updraft Plus is recommended, evaluating your specific needs and preferences is essential. Other backup plugins such as Blog Vault, Jetpack, Backup Buddy, and Duplicator also offer excellent features and may be better suited for specific scenarios. Consider factors like the complexity of your site, desired features, budget, and compatibility with your hosting environment when choosing the best backup plugin for your WordPress website. That's it. These were my top 5 backup plugins for WordPress. Let me know if you have any other questions. Follow the link in the description to read the full article. Thanks.